Good day, everyone. I'm Jose Zaraga, and today I will be presenting our study entitled Factors Affecting On-Time Delivery Performance of Construction Materials in Remote Areas of Palawan. This study focuses on Kingston Construction Supply in El Nido, Palawan, a construction supply business that depends heavily on logistics, trucking, and material delivery. The central concern of this research is on time delivery performance, especially because remote areas present challenges such as long travel distances, poor road accessibility, weather interruption, and rising fuel costs. In this presentation, I will discuss the background of the study, the problem and objectives, the methodology used, the main findings from the survey, and the practical recommendations that may help the company improve logistic efficiency and reduce operational costs. Why why this topic matters now? This topic is relevant today because logistic costs are no longer minor or operational issues. For a construction supply business, deliveries are not optional. Materials must be moved from the yard or stored to project sites. However, when fuel prices rise, even small efficiencies even small inefficiencies become expensive. A route that is longer than necessary, a truck that idles while waiting for a delivery that needs to be repeated can increase fuel consumption and operating cost. In remote areas of Palawan, the situation becomes more challenging because some locations may have difficult road conditions or may be affected by weather. Because of this study, because of this, Studying the factors of affecting on-time delivery performance is not only about punctuality, it is also about cost control, customer satisfaction, and improving the company supplies chain operation. Company context. Kingston Construction Supply is an appropriate company for this study because its operations are directly connected to supply chain management. The company handles construction materials, aggregates, tracking services, and heavy equipment rentals. This means that logistics is not just a support activity. It is one of the main operations of the business. If deliveries are delayed, materials may not reach customers or project sites on time. If routes are inefficient, the company may spend more on fuel and vehicle maintenance. The business is the business also uses several types of transportation and heavy equipment, which makes availability, route condition, and delivery coordination is very important. This company context makes the study practical because the finding can directly support operational improvements. Statement of the problem. The problem of the study is centered on a on-time delivery performance. Although construction supply companies needs to deliver materials efficiently, several transportation-related factors may affect actual delivery operations. For Kingston Construction Supply, the possible factors includes truck availability, fuel consumption, road conditions, weather disturbances, loading and unloading time, and communication among personnel. The problem becomes more serious in remote areas of Palawan because distance, accessibility, and weather can make the delivery schedules less predictable. The study therefore asks specific factors affect on-time delivery performance. Answering this question may help the company identify what should be prioritized in order to improve logistic performance and reduce unnecessary costs. Objective of the study. The general objective of the study is to determine the factors affecting on-time delivery performance of construction materials in remote areas of Palawan. From this general objective, the study has four specific objectives. First, it aims to describe the profile of the respondents so that the data can be understood based on the role in logistics operations. Second, it assesses the respondents' level of agreement and on different delivery-related factors. Third, It identifies which factors appear to be most significant based on the weighted means result. Lastly, it aims to develop recommendations that may help Kingston's construction supply improve logistic efficiency, reduce operating expenses, and strengthen delivery reliability. These objectives make the study both academic and practical. Conceptual flow of the study. This slide presents the conceptual flow of the study. The independent or influencing factors are grouped into four areas: transportation and vehicle operations, route accessibility and road condition, delivery scheduling and coordination, and logistic efficiency and cost concern. These factors are expected to influence on-time delivery performance. For example, if a truck breaks down, if the road is difficult to access, or if communication is unclear, the delivery may be delayed. When delivery performance improves, the company may also experience operational benefits such as reduced fuel waste, lower logistic costs, improved delivery reliability, and better customer service. This framework shows that the study is not only about identifying problems, but also about finding practical ways to improve operations. Methodology. The study uses a quantitative descriptive correlational research design. The descriptive part helped identify the current condition of the logistics and delivery operations, while the correlational aspect was included to determine whether operational factors may be associated with the delivery performance. The respondents were selected purposively because they were directly involved in the knowledge and knowledgeable about logistic operations. The study uses a researcher-made questionnaire with a 5-point Likert scale ranging from strongly disagree to strongly agree. For analysis, frequency and percentage were used for the respondent's profile, while weighted mean was used to interpret the level of agreement on logistic factors. The study also considered basic ethical principles, including voluntary participations, informed consent, confidentiality, and uses of response for academic purposes only. Survey instrument. The questionnaire was divided into respondents' profile and the main survey items. The main survey assessed for four categories that were directly connected to logistics and delivery performance. The first category, transportation and vehicle operations, examine whether available vehicles breakdowns, fuel consumption, maintenance, and truck availability affects delivery schedules. The second category focuses on route accessibility and road conditions, which are very important in Palawan because some delivery locations may be remote or difficult to access. The third category look at the scheduling and coordination, including communication among personnel, loading and unloading activities, customer updates, and route planning. The fourth category assess logistics efficiency and cost concerns, especially fuel expenses and operational cost. A 5-point Likert scale was used to quantify the respondents' level of agreement. Respondents' profile. The study had 19 respondents. The largest group was composed of drivers with 8 respondents or 42.11%. This was followed by the warehouse personnel with 7 respondents or 36.84%. Office staff accounted for 3 respondents or 15.79%, while logistics coordinator presented 5.2%. This distribution means meaningful because of the respondents are directly involved in actual movement and in the actual movement. Preparations, loading, and delivery of construction materials. Drivers experience route and vehicle-related issues as firsthand, while warehouse personnel are involved in material handling and loading activities. Because of these two groups make up for most of the respondents, the results are strongly grounded in actual logistic operations. Key logistic factors affecting delivery operations. The result shows that fuel consumption obtained in the highest weighted mean of 4.58, interpreted as strongly agree. This means that the respondents consider fuel consumption as the most significant factor affecting delivery operations. This result is very timely because rising fuel prices directly increases transportation costs. Poor road conditions followed with a weighted mean of 4.42, while weather disturbance obtained only 4.37. This finding shows that location-based challenges in Palawan affect delivery efficiency. Route planning also received a high weighted mean of 4.32, which means respondents recognize that the proper planning can help reduce fuel consumption and delays. Vehicle breakdowns were rated with as agree with 3.95, while alternative routes received 3.21, interpreted as neutral, suggesting limited logistic flexibility in some areas. Discussions of findings. The findings can be interpreted through three major operational realities. First, fuel cost pressure is the strongest issue because fuel consumption directly affects the cost of every delivery. If a route is inefficient or if the truck experience unnecessary waiting time, the company spends more. Second, the Palawan setting creates route constraints. Unlike urban delivery systems, remote delivery areas may involve difficult roads, long distances, and weather-related disruption. Third, planning becomes a practical solution. The high rating for route planning suggests that the respondents believe good scheduling and coordination can reduce delay and fuel use. Overall, on-time delivery performance is not controlled by one factor. It depends on how many transportation, routes, weather scheduling, and cost management work together. Recommendations. Based on the findings, the study recommends several operational improvements. First, Kingston Construction Supply should strengthen route planning before dispatching trucks, especially when deliveries are going to remote areas. Second, the company may monitor fuel consumption per delivery trip to identify routes or practices that increase fuel use. Third, preventive maintenance should be continued or improved because vehicle breakdowns can disrupt schedules. Fourth, communication should be improved among office staff, warehouse personnel, drivers, and customers so that deliveries are better coordinated. And lastly, contingency plans should be prepared for weather disturbances and road access problem. These recommendations are practical because they do not require highly advanced technology immediately, but they can help reduce fuel waste, lower delivery cost, and improve service reliability. Conclusion. In conclusion, the study found out that one on-time delivery performance is affected mainly by fuel consumption, poor road conditions, weather disturbances, and route planning. Fuel consumption ranked as the most significant factor, showing that the current fuel-related situation makes logistic efficiency more important for the company. The findings also shows that the road and weather conditions in Palawan can directly affect delivery time and operational cost. However, the study also suggests that these issues can be managed through better route planning, preventive maintenance, and coordination. For Kingston Construction Supply, improving logistics operation is not only about delivering materials faster, it's also about reducing fuel expenses, maintaining customers' trust, and strengthening supply chain performance in remote areas. References. These are the references cited in the term paper and used to support the discussion of logistics and supply chain management. The references include the standard supply chain and operation management sources that explain transportation management, route accessibility, logistic efficiency, and cost management. These sources support the argument that delivery performance is influenced by both internal operation factors such as scheduling and vehicle use, and external conditions such as road accessibility and fuel cost. The reference also helped connects to the study establish the ideas in logistic and supply chain management. That would be all. Thank you.